Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the arc length. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find first the derivative of y. So we apply the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative of x to the power of n, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. Now we apply the formula in here. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel. This one we have 1 over 2. Next, we can apply the formula in here. So we have the integration from a to b, and we have the square root of 1 plus first derivative of y to the power of 2. And we have ds. So a, that is about number 1. B, that is about number 3. This one, that is about this one. So this one we have 9s. So the square root we can put into 1 plus 9s to the power of 1 over 2. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of as plus b to the power of c equals to as plus b to the power of c plus 1 over a and c plus 1. So we have the capital C in here. Now we can apply the formula in here, and we got the final answer. So we put the integration from number 1 to number 3. So we put number 3 gone here, number 1 gone here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one. That is about 8.633, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.